Hi, this is how to get the new firework glove and slap battles. So you need alchemist, and then you gotta look around the map for this cake mix thing, and then you need to go into the oven from the oven glove, and then you need to hold out the cake mix, and then once you fly out, you get an item called the birthday cake, and then once you eat that cake, you get the badge. Anyways, here's a showcase of the glove. Alright. So you can either do this just regularly, Kablibik! Or you could ride the rocket. You can also get the idiot potion. It's one cake mix. You can throw it, and it gives him that funny thing, and also makes your screen blurry. Yep. Well, that's it. That's basically everything.